Hey y'all, it's E with Gardening Under Influence, and I'm here real quick because I've given Home Depot and Lowe's their attention. We even showed up at Walmart, but baby, today we are at Tractor Supply, and I just need y'all to know that they stunning on them other people. Yo, the quality, the varieties, the price point is lit. No, they probably do not accept SNAP, but I think if we ask them, we might be able to get there. Who knows? I mean, hey, it don't hurt to try. But anywho, check out those bare root grapes. These are varieties you don't see anywhere else. They got another one that says grape, but it's actually the Triumph Muscadine, because grapes and muscadines are the same. And muscadine is just a southern grape. They have dewberries. They got these bomb super seed holders for Burpee, and they like pop out. Nobody has them. They sell out fast, and they're half the price they would be everywhere else. But then they have this purple asparagus show. $5. I was there. I was hooked. But then there's more. Yo, like I'm not even being paid to do this. I am just hype. The red onions, they had the sweet ones, they had the white ones, they had the yellow ones. Yo, but wait. When we got to the potatoes, I lost it. For $6, y'all, they got several varieties, and they got pounds. 4 pounds of potatoes. Who giving you 4 pounds of potatoes for that price? Everybody else is giving you 3 or 4 potatoes. So look at them. They're seed potatoes, good quality. Then they let you look in them. You can see the varieties. They had so many types. I'm not going to list them all. Y'all can see them. There was the Yukon. You had the Adirondack. Y'all know I love purple stuff. If I'm going to eat it, I might as well get the most bang for my buck. And when you get that purple, you get the little big old A word, and it's great. But look, it's already rooted and growing in there. Like, these potatoes was about it. I didn't know what to do. My husband's going to fight me. I know we're moving. I only bought 1 bag, but I'm probably going to go back and get them all. We're going to have potatoes for the rest of the year. Probably for next year, too, at this rate, because this is a generous portion. Then they had the peas, the peaches. They had different sorts of peaches. They had plums. They had apple trees. Y'all. I don't know what to say. Then we got to the seeds. They had such a great variety, as well as the Burpee being 25% off. So if you grow a lot of corn, you can get about 200 or so kernels for like $8 with the special. They had the okra like that. Yeah, I just didn't know what to do. There, boom, more action, more plant action. And tell me that baby ain't healthy. She got them lush little leaves popping off the top, because she ready. She what? She ready. Okay. Anywho, the moral of the story is I've been sleeping on Tractor Supply, but I promise never to do that again. This is my new bop, y'all. They built one in my neighborhood. They gonna get tired of seeing me. They told me when the chickens was arriving, ma'am, don't come back to Thursday. I was okay with it. I understood. I'm harassing them.